So we everything over here bad for your house. It's all respect. Ref, all that. You just knocked on the door. We here. You knew you was gonna scare my mother, bro.
Why are we here?
Because you looking for him.
Okay, so why didn't he turn himself in if he knew this was gonna happen? You should be wanting to fuck him up, not us.
No one wants to take accountability for why we are there. We are there because of him.
And we can have a real dead-ass conversation.
Okay.
We can have a real conversation.
And just be real, all the yelling came from your brother.
We heading over right now to the one of his child's mother's house.
I don't know how the hell he used my address when he was never living here.
Where is Miss Easterling at? Where's Terry Ann?
Oh, she went to the store.
Okay. You know what time she gonna be back?
No.
How come she conveniently goes to the store every time I'm here?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing? Are you able to come back to the house so we can talk with you?
Yes, what is this about?
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Open up, I'm gonna kick the door in. You got 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Nah, I'll come in whenever I want. Nice to meet you. Not under these circumstances, but so we're here for Rian. We don't want to bother you. What do you know, or what can you tell us to find him? To find him, so we ain't gotta bother you, because he used his address because his property taxes come here, so he didn't kind of put everybody in his shit. So we don't want to bother you.
I mean, I haven't seen or spoke to him for years now.
Okay.
Like, we had a court thing back and forth with our kids.
Okay.
And then he went to the court saying he didn't want nothing to do with them. So they cut, you know, the visitation and all that. And I haven't heard from him since.
So when you was dealing with him, did he have any habits? Did he go to a certain spot all the time?
Habits?
Yeah, like did he go to...
Okay, so it's a long stretch here, because when I was dealing with him, that was like 2017, 2016.
Okay.
That's when we got divorced. Okay. And then we had the court thing for a couple years, but still I didn't have no contact with him, his family, his mom. Okay. Like, I wouldn't be able to tell you where to find him, because
I'm sorry,
it was real bad with me and him.
Gotcha.
So, I mean...
Oh, you got any other questions for her? All right, well, thank you. Sorry, Bob. We just had to, come talk with you.
That's okay. I mean, so are you guys the same people that came before?
Yeah, that was me that came before, and his daughter was here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right, well, sorry to bother you. If you have or hear anything...
So what is the issue? Because
you skip by.
It's not... It's like quite a few people that's come in looking for him.
It's well, I'm not sure what else he got going on. You got some other stuff?
He got a felony warrant out of Trumbull. He bonded out to a bonding company out there. He's got a couple felony warrants out there. He skipped bond on that, and unfortunately for you, he used your address. So people keep coming and bothering.
Yeah.
We're not going to. I don't think it's good.
Okay. All right.
It's been quite a few people coming here, and it's like I just can't escape the.
Can't escape them, huh?
It's just
I understand. You said you shit on yourself.
Need some laundry. You need some laundry, man.
All right, well, we sorry to bother you, man. We let you go ahead. It sounds like you got some drawers to clean, so we're gonna get out of here. Man, y'all be easy, man. You can hop in, Dave.
Hey, did you peep that back house? Is the doors open too?
Yeah. I kind of seen in there. It looked like they might have cleaned it out, depending on how they had it. I didn't see it the last time.
Yeah, some
The first time I came with y'all calls, the first time I went to the house with y'all, the door was closed and like shit was in there. This time that door was open and it almost looked like they hurry up and took shit out of there.
I thought somebody ran out of there.
Well,
it was open when we got there.
It was open when we walked in. But while you was in the house, I didn't want to go in there. I didn't know if we was able to.
Nah, we
The
can't.
dog came running out of there. The dog opened that door.
Stuff that bitch in.
That's the camper right there. No, that's the one where his baby's mother was there. That's the address. They used it. Not allowed it no more. Whatever it is, I'm like replacing windows.
Sit in the car. Switching gears, we got another guy. Bond just got revoked for Dave, so we about to try to snatch him up. Find somebody tonight, shit. This motherfucker look angry and just like he just wants sex.
Whatever he did, he looked like he did it.
This motherfucker look guilty.
That motherfucker looked like he did it.
He like the dude from Get Out.
Mill Creek Metro Park. They arrested us at the park.
Huh? Come in? That's a bet. How you doing? Looking for Mr. Deal. Mike Deal? No deal? What's your name?
Doors,
Doris, who else lives here with you?
just me and my grandson.
Okay.
Marcus.
Marcus,
Dill.
he stayed down the street.
You stayed out on the street?
Down the street.
They used your address.
What?
Yeah.
Who's upstairs?
My grandsons.
Okay.
No, I don't know him.
He's your daughter's boyfriend.
Yeah, I don't see.
Let's go search.
Draymond and J-Man.
Tammy, right?
Yeah.
Her mail right here. Nigga, there's roaches everywhere.
That's my grandson.
You don't know where Tammy lives at? Her mail's here.
That's
Are they upstairs?
It's just me and him, my grandma.
I was on the phone upstairs.
Yeah, how often she come and pick her mail up?
Her daughter come pick it up.
Her daughter come pick up the mail?
Mm-hmm.
How old is her daughter? Well, yo, that's your granddaughter, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's your granddaughter's name?
Alyssa
Alyssa. What's her last name?
Mitchell.
Alyssa Mitchell. All right, because we looking for a boyfriend. And she co-signed, and she used this address as being a record. Said Alyssa.
Mm-hmm. I didn't even know she had it.
When the last time you seen her?
The last time I seen her about 2-3 months ago.
So y'all know why she don't come here? Is there some type of beef or something? Why she sent her daughter to come pick the mail up?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you ain't seen her. You got a number for her? And y'all got a cell phone number for her?
Talk to her in a minute.
I'm gonna call her right now.
Okay. But you say Marcus stay down the street?
Oh, I thought you were talking about
The
my.
one out here.
Marcus. It's another Marcus.
Oh, it's another Marcus.
I don't
Okay.
even speak to them.
Okay, gotcha. All right, well, we're sorry to bother you.
Oh, you good?
Y'all probably know my son,
Hmm?
Willie Harris.
Yeah, I don't know who Willie Harris is. Is that a roach on my shoe? What is that? Oh, it's a hole.
Hello? Is this Tammy?
Yes.
Tammy, this is the bail bondsman. Where's Marcus?
I don't know right at this second.
Where are you right at this second? Where are you right at this second? Because you gave me your mom's address. That's a good way to get your mom's door kicked in at 2 in the morning.
I mean, I don't understand what's happening.
Oh, what's happening is no, he
He
didn't.
told me he paid the money.
He didn't go to court.
Well, yes, he did. What court did he miss?
Camel. Or I'm sorry, Boardman. He missed Boardman.
No, he went to Portman on the 27th.
Oh, the judge issued the warrant. He went to court, and then they had another court date, and he didn't go. The judge issued a warrant.
Oh my God.
So I need to know where. I need to know your address. I need to know his address because your daughter gave me an address that goes to an empty lot.
I told you I stay at my room. I thought I gave you my room. Now remember?
No, you gave me 99 Jean Street.
She's not here.
You gave me.
I mean, I'm sorry. I'm blessed. I mean.
And where's Marcus?
That just threw me off. I just woke up. You put me on my sleep. I didn't even know he didn't go to court. He went to all his court dates. That's what I'm lost. He just went to court on the 27th of last month. How did he miss court from then until now?
Where is he at now?
I really don't know.
Well, I can fix this. If you're gonna make me look for him, I'm not gonna be able to fix it. You know how to get a hold of him.
You can come to where I am right now. I promise you.
Well, he's not. Obviously, he's not gonna be there when I get there. Obviously, he's not gonna be there when I get there. But I'm gonna come back to your mom's house at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna kick this shit in if you don't find out where he's at.
Oh, we'll figure it out.
And you need to call me back within the next 15 minutes.
Okay.
And don't tell him.
And do not tell him that I'm looking for him.
Yeah, I'll call her back and tell her don't tell him. I thought D, y'all, it must be like a little, y'all.
Hey, do not tell him I'm looking for him.
Okay.
Y'all motherfuckers.
Just find out where
Service
he's at so I can go
motherfuckers
get him.
don't play around.
I could walk him in. He's gonna see the judge and walk right back out again.
Where, like right now?
Yeah, as soon as he turns himself into me, I'm gonna walk him in. He's gonna booked into the jail, and he's gonna walk right back out again.
Okay. Oh my goodness, this is okay.
All right. Dang it. Nah, somebody need a bump.
What's happening, guys? We are back in Youngstown, Ohio. We may have the whereabouts of Rian. We found a couple other spots. Depending on how the rest of the night go, I kind of let you know how we found them, and I go in more detail. But for now, because I don't know how the rest of this night gonna go, and again, they watch these videos, we're gonna hit some more spots. We out. So we got a couple houses we gonna hit. Couple houses that Rian actually owns. So hopefully we luck up. We got a good feeling about tonight. Like I said, I'm not gonna say too much what information we know, just cause if we don't get them tonight, they're gonna be watching it. So, but we did find a couple more addresses that we can legally break entry into if we need to. So we are headed over there now. Maybe we get lucky, man. But we'll eventually find them. It's all a process, man. And after that, we got more people to look for. Joseph Carson. You next, man. You are next, buddy.
Oh, it's you guys. How about y'all?
I'm not gonna bring it with you right now.
Court officer!
Yeah, block with a chair.
Yep.
Court officer!
You didn't make yourself known! There's all the shit from that apartment.
Yep.
He's in there.
Floyd, where you at?
Going upstairs.
Chris in here.
No, he's outside.
Don't bunch up.
Going up. On the 6, Danny.
You didn't make yourself known!
See all these work boots? Check this basement. You go to the top. Still. Okay, back on. Work boots, everything. This all his shit. Yeah. Let's go sit in the car. Somebody gotta come back. Let's go post it.
Yeah, step down to the left. You got a camera charge on your fucking truck?
Hell no. Dude, this where all his shit is at. You right, it was coming in. Huh? Yep. He coming in and out of the back.
That's why I haven't been able to see.
All right, as we expected, that is one of the spots he was at. I mean, which is fine. We're going to cross it off. We want to push him to one of the location. The alarm went off, so I'm assuming, you know, most people have alarms that go straight to their phone. So I'm hoping that somebody comes back, hopefully him, to check on and see what's going on. So we're going to wait a little bit, see if somebody comes on. Hey!
Thank you.
We came here because the alarm went off. He called me and told me to come and check out the security. This is my daughter. She just followed me here to make sure I wasn't by myself.
Anybody else there?
No. I can get out.
Anybody in the home?
You get out. Who's your stepdad? We didn't step in. We didn't break in.
Well, you said because the
Where's your
security system
stepdad?
called me.
Who's your stepdad?
My fiance.
Who's your fiance?
Ken Minton.
Okay.
But she just said somebody broke into Rion's house.
Well,
Stepdad. This is her stepdad.
Yeah.
I've been with him for
Where's
like
he at?
18 years. He's at work.
Rian's at work?
Rian.
Where's he work?
His name is Ken Minton.
Okay.
Kenneth.
Rian is the one that owns his house.
I understand that, but my fiance's been living here for 20 years, and he's been trying to get the, because basically what it was is he bought it from a different guy. He was supposed to give him the title, and he sold it to this Esterline. And we've been trying to find this Esterline to get his thing for the house, his not lease, but the mortgage payment or whatever, because the guy sold it out from underneath him. Basically, is what it was. So he's been trying to find Green Esterline. We've been called downtown because his water got shut off. And they said, well, we have to get a hold of Green Esterline to be able to get it turned back on. Correct. So he's been staying with me, but has his items here, so we kept the alarm on to keep his items safe. And we have no idea where this person is. We even tried hooking him up.
We're looking for Rian.
We have no idea who that person is.
Well, Rian's the person that owns the house.
Well, that's what I mean, but I mean, we don't know him personally because we haven't been able to find him.
Who did he buy the house off of?
Oh, God. Can I call and ask what the guy's name is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably better if you hadn't come here.
If you want to look up his name, I can even tell you his name. They're looking for Green Esterline. He's got to go where he can talk. He just got this job. All right.
Did you shut the alarm off?
I just came here.
No, we haven't even gone in the house yet.
Oh,
ADT told us to come and find out what was going on and see if they needed the cops or not.
That's the cops on their way here right
Okay. Hello? They're looking for Green Esterline, not you. Green Esterline? They need to know who you were supposed to buy the house off that got sold out from underneath you. What was that guy's name? Correct, the guy that owns the house. They're looking for him. And they said if you could, you know, do you know who the person was that you bought the house off of? They're trying to find him. Ray Smith. It's a person that he was supposed to get it from, and Ray Smith sold it to Green Esterline. Ray Smith was the original owner that he was supposed to get it from, and he sold it out from underneath them to Green Esterline.
And then Rian rented it out to you guys?
No, we haven't been able to find him to get the paperwork. Because we were supposed to talk to him and
okay,
let him know.
so Ray owned it, he sold it to Easterling, and you guys have not been able to get in contact with
No, he never came here. We didn't even know it was sold until he went to go try to get the paperwork. And they said, well, Ray Smith doesn't have it anymore. Green Esterline. He's like, who's Green Esterline?
Never even came here to let him know he bought the house or nothing.
Ray Smith sold all of his properties to him.
Okay. He just said Ray Smith sold all of his properties to him. So he screwed everybody. Mm-hmm. Yep.
All the other houses got knocked down, and this is next on the list.
He said all the other houses got knocked down. This is the only one left on the list.
He has a warrant for his arrest, and because he owned this house, he can legally come in here. So he kind of put people in a bad situation.
Yeah, he did.
So he gotta like move out this house.
Okay.
No, you ain't got to move out.
How do we find a way to? I mean, how can we get?
We're looking for him, so if you find him, you're doing a better job than we are.
If I find him, I'll come back here and let you know.
Thanks, I
Or if
appreciate
you find
it.
him, let me know,
Oh,
and the
most
house will be yours
definitely.
because I own it.
You own this house?
I do now. He owes me a lot of money.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very
Where's
much.
the door, bro?
Whose ladders and all that stuff is in there? And work
The
boots
guy
and
that
everything
we
else.
had, the guy let us borrow ladders to try to fix it up because they said we had to fix it or we were gonna tear it down basically. So we've been trying to make repairs.
And all the stuff, all the TVs and everything.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes.
All right, you guys take care.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. I'm gonna go home. Where I buy that the trap house. Yeah, one of us gonna have to go through the window. Thought we had it.
There it is.
The basement window on this side is the one that opens up.
Oh shit. It's kind of cold. I don't think nobody in there right now. It's a cold fucking spot right here.
Hey, your voice popped in my head.
Huh?
Fucking Floyd.